Take a deep breath with me, right here, right now. Feel the cool air fill your lungs, the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Let yourself settle into this moment, leaving behind the rush of yesterday and the worries of tomorrow. That feeling? It's the spark of being alive, present in this moment. In this very breath, a universe of pure potential is waiting for you. Every inhale is a reminder that you are here, that you matter, and that endless possibilities are unfolding with each passing second. The same laws that spin the planets and bloom the flowers are available to all of us, no exceptions. These laws don't care about your past or your bank account. They are as constant as the sunrise. Whether you're standing at the edge of a new beginning or in the middle of a challenge, these universal forces are always at work, quietly supporting your journey. Think of them like gravity. You don't have to understand them for them to work. They are always present, always reliable. The invitation is to work with these laws consciously, to start happening to your life instead of letting life just happen to you. When you become aware of these forces, you can begin to shape your reality with intention. The power to co-create with the universe is yours, right now. The universe listens not to your words, but to the energy of your heart. When you align your feelings, your intentions, and your actions, you become a magnet for the experiences you desire. It's ready to bring you experiences that match the energy you broadcast. Your only job? Decide what signal you want to send. Every thought, every emotion, every choice is a message to the universe, shaping what comes next. You are the author of your story, the artist of your own life. This universe is not against you. It's designed to support your highest good. You are a vital part of this cosmic tapestry. Your thoughts, feelings, and dreams matter. Each moment you choose hope, gratitude, or love, you weave a brighter thread into the fabric of existence. The moment you truly believe this, your world begins to shift. Doors open, opportunities appear, and life starts to feel more magical, more connected. You begin to notice the synchronicities, the gentle nudges guiding you forward. It all starts with this: the universe is on your side. So what will you choose to create? What dreams will you dare to pursue, knowing you are supported every step of the way? The possibilities are infinite. Let's begin. Your journey starts now, with a single breath and an open heart. Maybe you're thinking, I've been wishing and hoping, but nothing's changed. It's a familiar feeling, isn't it? That sense of waiting, of longing for something more, something different. Often we want from a place of lack, focusing on what's missing, not what's possible. We see the empty spaces, the voids in our lives, and we yearn to fill them. The universe reflects the energy you send. If you feel lack, you get more lack. It's like an echo returning to you what you project outward. Our minds say one thing, but our hearts feel another. That split energy blocks results. It's a conflict within, a tug-of-war between desire and doubt. Affirmations are empty if you don't feel their truth. They're just words unless they resonate deeply within you. The universe responds to who you are, not just what you say. It listens to the whispers of your soul, the true essence of your being. If you believe you're unworthy, no amount of wishing will bring abundance. Your beliefs shape your reality, crafting the world you experience. The real work is inside, preparing your inner soil for new seeds. It's about nurturing your spirit, making space for growth and transformation. If your inner world is full of old hurts, the results can't take root. Healing is essential. It's the foundation for new beginnings. It's not punishment, it's guidance. The universe gently points you to what needs healing, offering a path to wholeness. Tend to that, and the floodgates open. Opportunities flow in, like a river unblocked, bringing abundance and joy. Don't be discouraged. This is a loving invitation to grow. Embrace it, and let it lead you to a brighter, more fulfilling future. The journey inward is where true change begins. It's a path of discovery, of uncovering the potential that lies within. Where do we begin? by getting quiet and listening to ourselves. All the wisdom you need is already inside you. Start by noticing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Become the gentle observer of your mind. This awareness gives you the freedom to choose differently. Move from mind to body. Notice how you feel right now. Your body's sensations are emotional signals, creative fuel for your life. If you live in stress, you attract more stress. The key is to change your state regardless of circumstances. Cultivate the feelings of the future you want right now. Dance, laugh, remember a joyful moment. By generating elevated emotions, you change your energetic signature. The universe will reflect that new energy back to you. Your thoughts and emotions are powerful forces, constantly shaping and influencing your reality, whether you realize it or not. Every moment, what you think and how you feel are sending out signals that ripple through your life. Thoughts send out electrical signals like messages traveling through the brain and body. Emotions generate a magnetic field, radiating out from your heart and affecting the world around you. Together, these forces create your state of being, and ultimately, your personal reality. The combination of what you think and how you feel is the energy you broadcast to the universe. Thoughts are the blueprint, the plan for your life. Emotions are the construction crew, the energy that brings those plans to life and builds your experiences. Without the energy of feeling, your dreams remain just ideas on paper, never taking shape in the real world. It's the emotion behind your vision that gives it life and momentum. Feel gratitude before abundance arrives. Feel love before your partner appears. When you embody these feelings now, you invite those experiences into your life. The universal law works from the inside out. Change your inner world and your outer world will follow. You must embody the feeling first to attract the experience. When you live as if your dreams are already true, you become a magnet for those realities. You are not a victim of circumstance. You are the creator of your life through the energy you choose to carry each day. Master your emotional state, acknowledge your feelings, honor them, and then consciously shift to higher ones like hope, gratitude, or joy. Every moment you choose gratitude, love, or joy, you rewrite your future. Each positive emotion is a brushstroke painting a new reality. You send out a new magnetic signal, calling in a new reality, attracting new opportunities, people, and experiences. This is your creative power, your ability to shape your life moment by moment with your energy and intention. Take the reins of your life. Step boldly into your role as the creator, not the bystander. The truth is, you are more powerful than you know. Your energy is your greatest tool. Use it wisely and watch your world transform. Science is catching up to ancient wisdom. Dr. Joe Dispenza's research shows our minds can change our reality. Through meditation and changing inner states, people create real biological and energetic shifts. Focused attention and elevated emotion literally rewire your brain. You can heal, strengthen your immune system, and create new opportunities. It's moving from survival to creation. By aligning heart and mind, you broadcast a powerful, coherent signal. This makes you a magnet for miracles. Ordinary people are doing extraordinary things by harnessing their consciousness. We are fields of energy, able to direct that energy to create astounding lives. Change your mind, change your life. Science proves it. Want to know your true beliefs? Look at your life. Your outer world mirrors your inner world. Home, work, relationships, all of it. It's not punishment, just reflection. Most beliefs were programmed in childhood, not consciously chosen. Seeing them in your life is the first step to change. The mirror says, "This is the program running. Do you want to keep it?" Awareness is the dawn of new possibility. If your beliefs created this reality, you can create a new one. Your life isn't fixed. It changes as you change inside. Life responds to you, not the other way around. That's where your power lies. See beliefs that no longer serve you? Now you get to rewrite your story. Choose new beliefs that align with your desired future. Identify the old belief, then declare its empowering opposite. Write it, say it, and most importantly, feel it. Imagine living from this new belief. Rehearse the feeling daily. You're rewiring your brain and body to a new emotional signature. Change takes dedication and patience. When old thoughts arise, acknowledge them, then pivot to your new story. Each time, you weaken the old and strengthen the new. You are becoming a new person, one belief at a time. This is conscious creation. You are the author now. Start writing your next chapter. When change feels overwhelming, look up at the stars. The same elements in the stars are in you. You are made of cosmic dust. You are a piece of the universe, conscious and creative. Your intentions and emotions travel out into the quantum field, connecting with new possibilities. You are a constellation of potential, weaving new patterns into the cosmos. Let the night sky remind you of your own magnificence. If the universe can create galaxies, it can help you create a life of joy and love. You are part of that creative intelligence. Align with it, and you tap into the power that hangs the stars. You are that powerful, that connected, that divine. Awakening to your inner power is the greatest adventure. You are not a victim, you are a powerful creator. Universal laws are your birthright. Use them. The path begins with awareness, continues with intention, and is powered by emotion. Fall in love with your future and start living it now. Be gentle with yourself. This is a daily practice. When you slip, forgive yourself and begin again. Every moment is a new opportunity to send a new signal to the universe. The power to change your life is within you, mind, heart, and spirit. You are the artist. Your life is your masterpiece. Start today. Choose one belief to release, one emotion to practice. Take one step toward your dreams. The universe will meet you. A new life is inevitable when you awaken to your power.